now driving into the state forest for our freedom camping tonight. We don't know where we are going. It's pitch dark. Turn left.
Turn left.
Yeah. We've been on this kind of road terrain for the past half an hour. Okay, I'm gonna sleep now. This is how I sleep, okay? So you tuck yourself inside the sleeping bag. You literally cover your head. Like a mummy, you know? That's how you sleep. We parked at the Head National Park last night. Go 了吗？够了没有？吃饱了没有？